Hello and welcome to Molly Yoshikawa, Yoshiyori Designs with the Sakura necklace. What I wanted to show you a few things on this one is there are several ways that you can change it and make it your own. Is that it's a basic, the Sakura necklace is a basic ring and chains here, and I added some beads. And these are oval beads, but you can really add any kind of beads. And I added these, I call them supporting beads in the book, and a pendant. Of course, you can choose whichever pendant you want to make. This is really a nice one to be able to embellish and do whatever you want to, whatever creative expression you want. So I also wanted to show you this, is I added a chain and a clasp to it to give it a little bit more fancy. You can do whatever you want to with it, but I wanted you to notice that I just added the jump rings right into the picot, and it's a very easy way to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and start a tutorial with you to kind of show you how to add beads, add the pendant, and let's get going. The Sakura necklace starts with adding beads to the yarn. And the beads that you're going to be starting with are the supporting beads and the pendant. So very first thing you need to do is pick your beads that you want to use, and then you're going to take your 3-0 needle, and you're actually going to go right into the bead and see if the eye of the needle fits through the bead. If the bead fits through, you are good to go. So we also want to, with that, once we pick the bead, so I am going to pick these two beads here, and I'm going to pick this pendant. So a way that you can put beads on your thread is with the needle, or you can use a floss threader. But for this pattern, I'm going to add a supporting bead, and then I'm going to add the pendant. So the pendant you need to add with the back side facing, and that's because we will reverse the work later. Actually, let's do it like this to make it correct. There we go. And then I'm going to add the other supporting bead. Okay, so we got that first part done. Now, with our, in my Sakura necklace, I used oval beads. You also want to make sure that those oval beads, or whichever beads you choose, will fit over your crochet hook, which, oh, that one does. Okay, so I can use that one, and I can use that one. And in the pattern, you need 8 half-inch oval wood beads, or whatever you choose. So I'm just going to add a couple over here, make sure they're like that. Okay, and again, you can also use a floss threader if you have smaller beads, or if you have smaller thread.